In the evening, I was transferred to another mission called Rangala Mission in Ugenya. From there, I was taken home and kept in a house where nobody knew I was present. Then I was taken from there late in the afternoon to the beach, one of the deserted beaches of Bondo, called Sirongo Beach. From Sirongo, I boarded a makeshift boat. She was being paddled to an island called Dede Island. It's on Dede Island where I met Robert and the team. The guy who had organized this mission was called Hezron Orori. It's late now. And there were some Ugandans who were available, who had come by. These were businessmen. They were bringing timber and so on to Kenya, and then going back with the manufactured products. They would take clothes, they would take sugar, they would take mattresses and so on. So these are the people who now give us a ride. And we were in that boat with my friend. I've never met him since that time up to today. And we traveled on that DG. It was night, so they were navigating using the moon and the stars. And we were traveling parallel to the shores until we passed what they call the Mageta Island. And we sailed until we saw a boat which was moored in the lake. And we were told that was a Ugandan boat. So we're now in Ugandan waters. Because if you had been arrested on the side of the Kenya, you'd be taken back. So after that, it started raining very heavily. And it was just an open boat.